In this video, we'll explore the intriguing and potentially perilous scenario of airplanes flying over tornadoes. Tornadoes are among nature's most powerful phenomena, presenting unique challenges for aviation. We'll delve into the dangers of flying near these violent storms, how altitude factors into safety, and the essential training pilots undergo to navigate such severe weather conditions. Join us as we uncover the impacts of tornadoes on aviation, aircraft limits, and safety best practices for those operating in tornado-prone regions. 1. Understanding tornadoes and their impact on aviation. Tornadoes are fascinating yet terrifying natural occurrences. They are violent rotating columns of air that stretch from a thunderstorm to the ground. With wind speeds that can exceed 300 miles per hour, tornadoes can cause widespread devastation. For airplanes, tornadoes introduce a set of unique challenges. The swirling winds can create extreme turbulence, making it difficult for pilots to maintain control. Furthermore, the presence of debris picked up by the tornado can pose a serious risk to aircraft. These hazards make tornadoes a formidable threat to aviation safety. 2. The dangers of flying near tornadoes. Flying near a tornado is fraught with peril. The intense updrafts and downdrafts associated with these storms can cause sudden and dangerous altitude changes. This makes it hard for pilots to keep the aircraft on a steady path. Additionally, the rapid changes in wind speed and direction, known as wind shear, can put enormous stress on the plane's structure. Imagine driving a car on a road that suddenly disappears. That's how unpredictable flying near a tornado can be. Debris caught in the tornado's vortex can also strike the aircraft, causing damage. Experts and aviation authorities strongly advise against flying anywhere near tornadoes due to these significant risks. 3. Altitude considerations. Is flying over a tornado safe? You might wonder if flying over a tornado is a safe alternative. While the most destructive force of a tornado is near the ground, the storm's effects can reach higher altitudes. Severe turbulence and lightning are common in these upper reaches, posing additional hazards. Pilots are trained to avoid these weather systems altogether rather than attempting to fly over them. It's like trying to jump over a tidal wave. The safest choice is to steer clear entirely. Therefore, flying over a tornado is generally not considered a safe option. 4. Pilot training and weather avoidance strategies. Pilots undergo rigorous training to recognize and avoid severe weather. They use onboard weather radar systems to detect dangerous patterns, such as thunderstorms that might produce tornadoes. Air traffic controllers also play a vital role by providing real-time weather updates. They guide pilots on safer routes around hazardous weather conditions. The goal is to maintain a safe distance from such systems to ensure the well-being of passengers and crew. This collaborative effort emphasizes safety and precaution when dealing with tornado-prone areas. 5. Aircraft structural limits and tornado encounters. Modern aircraft are built to endure significant stress, but even they have limits. The forces encountered near a tornado can exceed these limits, leading to structural damage or even catastrophic failure. Historical incidents, like the crash of NLM City Hopper Flight 431 in 1981, serve as grim reminders of the potential consequences. In such cases, the aircraft encountered severe weather conditions, resulting in tragic outcomes. These incidents underline the importance of avoiding tornadoes at all costs during flight. 6. Statistical occurrence of tornado-related aviation incidents. Thankfully, aviation incidents directly caused by tornado encounters are relatively rare. This is mainly due to effective weather monitoring and avoidance strategies. However, turbulence-related accidents remain a concern. According to the International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO, turbulence is a significant cause of accidents resulting in serious injuries to crew or passengers. This highlights the importance of ongoing vigilance and adherence to safety protocols to minimize risks. 7. Airport operations during tornado warnings. When a tornado warning is issued, airport operations undergo drastic changes to ensure safety. Flights may be delayed or canceled, and aircraft on the ground are either secured or relocated to safer zones. Passengers and crew are directed to designated shelter areas within the airport. For instance, during a tornado warning at Chicago's O'Hare International Airport in July 2024, operations were halted, and passengers were advised to follow safety protocols until the threat passed. These measures are crucial for maintaining safety during such events. 8. Conclusion. Best practices for aviation safety in tornado-prone areas. The aviation community agrees. Avoiding tornadoes and their associated severe weather systems is essential. Pilots and air traffic controllers employ advanced weather detection technologies and adhere to established safety protocols to manage these risks effectively. Both flight crews and passengers should remain vigilant and prioritize safety by following weather advisories. Cooperation with airline and airport personnel is vital during severe weather events to ensure everyone's safety.